Hi everyone, today with me I have these amazing dog lick mats. They are awesome because on the back they have a bunch of little suction cups so they stick to the ground, or you can even put this in the wall of your shower to keep your dog nice and busy while you give them a bath. I absolutely adore this set and I think they look super cute. As you can see, there's a bunch of grooves so you can go ahead and spread things like such as peanut butter right there, stick it, and your dog's going to spend so much time trying to lick it out. Now they have two different sizes, including medium and large. This, for reference, is the large size, which is great for medium or large breed dogs. If you're looking for cat and small dogs, you should opt for the medium instead. This one measures 18 centimeters or 7.1 inches by 25.5 centimeters or 10 inches. So it's quite big and it comes in a bunch of different colors. I got the dark blue and light blue set, but they also have different greens and even different reds. I absolutely adore these and Max sure did too. So check these out on Amazon. If you have a dog, they'll keep them nice and busy for a while.